Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use volume 1.2.3. This add-on is a procedural fire, cloud, and storm for EV and cycles. Okay, first thing to do, for example, I have this flow object. Is a flat object, okay? So you can just drag and drop the volume on the mesh. For the flat object, add solidify, 0.1. Now you have this. In this part, you can fix volume, the resolution to 1.2. Shadow in this part, enable volume shadow and set this value. Okay. Now you can see by default you have this because the volume is set on global mode. You can switch to local. Now you have this result. Okay. And for animation, you can see it's automatically animate. You can just go in generate panel. Now you can change wind direction. You can change the air rise in z-axis range or it wind, crosswind, etc. If you disable this, now you can use keyframe in this value and all this value. Okay. By default, when you add the volume on a mesh, you can see you have this option enable. Okay. But if you want, you can select a single object, for example, the cube. Okay. Now you have this. Or the cylinder, etc. Or if you want, you can select a collection of objects. As you can see, you have the cube and the cylinder. Okay. Okay. If you want, you can disable the in viewport. You can display only the volume or the mesh or combine the mesh and the volume. Now you have this result. For particle is useful for fire, the fire volume. Okay, but if you want, you can enable. You have this. Okay, and inflate. You can see the result. Inflate, solidify, density, etc. For shading, you can remove, for example, the noise, change the base color, the emission color, the temperature color, and the interior bond. To see all the shading option, select, go in material tab and select this material, cloud 0.00. Okay. For example, you can come here on your mesh, you can select cloud 00. And now you can see you have all this option. Absorption color, density, opacity, anisotropy, noise scale, etc. Okay. Temperature, if you want to create flash effect, emission strength, interior bond for temperature. Okay. Okay. And now in proximity tab, if you enable proxy collision, now I change the name collision. You can select a mesh, for example, the cube. Now, if you move the cube, you can see you have this. Okay. Okay. You can correct the strange, the distance, or flip for flatten. Or you can select object collection, cube, or the cube, and inside this collection you are the cube and the cylinder. Okay, if I move the cylinder, you can see, up, you have this result. Okay, now for the vertex group, you can disable the modifier. Okay, now make sure you select the mesh and go in this part tab, and now you can see you have one vertex group here because I create this first. Remove this. Now go into weight paint, and now if you start paint, you can see you have this group. Now you can rename this group tutorial. Sorry, tutorial. Okay, and paint this here, for example. Okay, now go back to object mode. You can close this and go on the modifier. Okay, in vertex group panel, enable volume, and now click here, and now you can see you have the group here. You can select the group, and as you can see, the volume now apply only on this section, this area. Okay, if I paint here, go back to object mode, you can see now you have volume here. It's really useful. Okay, you can flip the area. Okay, and if you want, you can apply the vertex group for the mesh, for dissolve the mesh. Okay, and you can use sprite, thickness, etc. Okay, and voila. Now you can start use sorry, okay, for the fire volume, just to show you the particle, drag and drop on the mesh. Okay, set solidify to 0.1, local, mesh and volume, combined mode. You have this result. Sorry. Okay. Just wait a minute. Just remove this. Proximity. Okay. Okay. Remove this. And enable. Show the asset browser. Move the fire volume. Tac. Particle. Solidify to 0.1. And in particle panel, you have this option. The particle lifetime, the scale. For example, the scale 0.1, the noise, okay, the color, Okay. You can see the particle, the density, the speed, and the color shading option. Okay. And voila. Okay. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Oh.